welcome to another tutorial in the daily life of a motion designer. In this short tips and tricks video series, I'll introduce you to some powerful assistant tools in After Effects. These tools make motion design easier and save time, allowing you to achieve fantastic results quickly. In the first episode of this series, we'll explore the Auto Orientation tool. Let's take a look at Auto Orient Along Path. Imagine you have a rocket flying through a space along a circular path. You'd expect the rocket to move forward, but at certain points, it might seem to move backward. The usual solution would involve manually adjusting the rotation. But that can be quite tough. This is where Orient Along Path comes in. Select the rocket, go to the layer, then to transform, and select Auto Orientation. Hit Orient Along Path and tada! It's an easy solution for any position that requires rotation during movement. This is perfect for animating objects to follow a path, like a spaceship navigating through the stars or an airplane flying between clouds. What other examples have you used this tool for? I'd love to hear from you, so do not hesitate to share your experiences in the comments. This was the story of Orient Along Path. In the next video, we'll dive into another tool called Orient Toward Camera. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on new tutorials and news. Thanks for watching and have a great day until the next daily life of a motion designer.